Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on Thursday, December 17th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So I'm going to go over a small cap that we actually took an option, and we also sent out for a small cap alert. Ticker symbol is SUNE, Sun Edison Energy. Okay, if you notice this, we mentioned what we call the line of symmetry trade. If you notice, it was holding a channel here. Okay, and every time you hit this bottom of this channel, you would see a bounce. Okay, and this time or this time frame, you had this actually rip lower. What we noticed here was that we lost this support at this $5 range, somewhere around $5, $5.30 range. So we went 50% retrace, and we were looking at that 280 level. Okay, that 280 level triggered, and it actually kissed a low of this level here at a low of 255. Okay, so our stop close was a close below $2.50, which we never got, and this actually accumulated here for quite some time. This was sent out somewhere around November 18th, I believe, and what we noticed here, we would have a breakout and then it would pull back right to this 21 and 8-day moving average, which I mentioned would be a re-entry here. All right, any pullback down to this 21 and 8-day moving average was going to be a re-entry, and that actually pulled back. It kind of kissed this level here at that $3.80 level, and now if you notice, now we're trading and we hit a high of $6.47. Our potential target here was $6.30 to $7.80. So we already actually hit target. The January 15 calls gave us an opportunity to add as low as 40 cents. At the time when we sent out this setup, it was at 40 cents. Right now, these contracts are trading at about $1.50. Okay, so this is just a beautiful move. So we actually hit our target 1 of 80 cents, target 2 of $1.20, and now right now we're looking for that $2 range. Would not be surprised for this to kind of test this $7.50 range and potentially kind of kiss $8 range. Okay, what you want to see now is you want to see a continuation and maybe a potential pullback down to this $4.50 range. That'll give us another buy opportunity. Okay, so this was just a great trade, and this is what kind of shows you what these pattern trades bring you. Later on, I'm going to talk about a pattern trade for an OTC. Very similar trade, and it's in a buy zone. So I'm going to give you guys that in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to move over to the OTC. Ticker symbol SRCO. This was a ticker symbol that we've noticed that it was breaking down and saw that 50% retrace here from this 0.005 level. This gave us a perfect opportunity to buy. Okay, this broke that 0.005 level, so we came up with the 50% retrace down to that 25 level. And if you notice here, it kind of triggered perfectly at 25. So our buy zones then became 25 to 35. I kind of upgraded this in the chat room. I told traders to watch that 25 to 35. We saw a higher low, 26 low, and then we saw a low of 29. Gave us an opportunity. I sent it out via SMS. Okay, and then we actually saw the stock kind of trading higher. And if you notice here, we closed at the high of the day. Now what we want to see is follow through. Okay, we could see a 2-bar surge above this 50-day moving average here at 0.0078. Okay, so we may see a gap up today. If we don't, okay, all you guys got to do is just watch for that bullish inside flag pattern. Right now, okay, that 0.005 now becomes your support. So just watch that consolidation. 42 to 50 will probably be a good buy zone, re-entry level here. Okay, so I want traders to kind of keep an eye on that level. Okay, so I would simply put my stop probably right here below this high. Let's see what this high is right here. If I'm going to re-enter the stock, all I would do is just place my stop here at a stop close below 0.0035. If I'm buying between that 3.5 to 4.2 on a kiss, just place your stop close below 0.0035. But just a beautiful move. I would not be surprised if this tests and breaks that 0.01 level. Okay, previous rally, if you look here, okay, you have a scene of the crime here. Okay, we're right at that scene of the crime. If we close above this 78 on 2 consecutive closes, okay, I wouldn't be surprised if we see this move up to $1.20. I'm sorry, 0.0125 or even 0.0225. Okay, because that's the scene of the crime here, and we're right at this level. Okay, so what you want to see is you want to see some follow through. Okay, next ticker symbol is ACTL. This was a ticker symbol that I sent out. It was based on pretty much the same channel. Right now, they don't have this on stock charts. But if you notice here, you had a channel, and I noticed that we had a good amount of support here on the ACTL. This actually triggered at 0.0012 for us, and it gave us an opportunity to put in a buy zone from 12 to 15. This triggered 14.15 for a starter. Our pivot break is going to be a pivot break of 35. Yesterday they announced news of filings came through where they said that the common stock was only 64 million. Okay, and this was traded at 0.025, so this is great risk reward here. We closed at 17, so what you want to see is 2 consecutive closes above that 15 level. Okay, and then yesterday's high was 22, so watch that 22 break. Overall, if you notice the level 2 right now, okay, you have a lot of bidders here from 15 to 17. And if you look at the level 2 on the ask side, it's very, very thin. Okay, this was up 75% to 100% yesterday. Okay, so I just watched that 15. I'm thinking that 12 to 15 kiss would be a great re-entry on this stock. With only 64 million common stock, this stock can kind of easily break 0.01 at some point. Okay, next stock is ticker symbol Cdch. Okay, we talked about the buy zone here on the box pattern. Okay, this gave us an opportunity to add as low as 0.003. Okay, and then the stock rallied. If you notice here, okay, we're seeing a little bit of a bullish flag here. Okay, yesterday there wasn't too much volume, but at the same time, take a look. If you notice here, you're trading above that this 8-day moving average at 0.004. So I think that this is going to be a good buy zone opportunity here. See some consolidation here and a follow through break above this 0.006. Then what you're looking for is this gap fill here at 0.008. Okay, so this is a stock that is in reversal mode right now. You just got to see some volume come in. Okay, so this is a ticker symbol CDCH. So keep that and watch that bid support. Okay, next ticker symbol is Vnth. Okay, this was a ticker that we were talking about from that 0007 to 9. Then I talked about the 0005 to 6 support. So this actually stopped close initially, and then we reassessed and we talked about that 0005 6 buy zone. If you notice here, okay, this actually triggered 0005 and 6. And now what we just did is we broke above that 21 and 8-day moving average. Okay, and now we've ripped above that 0.001 pivot. And now we're trading and we saw a high of 14. So this is just a beautiful move for the people that traded and bought the blood. Okay, ultimately, I would not be surprised for this to test this scene of the crime at 16, its previous 52-week low. And if it does and it closes above 16, you have upside to 32. Okay, 32 to 50. So you got some upside here on that VNTH. There's a lot of buying going on. Okay, so this is the ticker symbol I was talking about, Gnpt. This is what I call a line of symmetry trade. If you notice here, it did lose its support here. Okay, at this range, you're noticing that the low of 25 was breached. Okay, if you go 50% retrace from 25, you're talking about 12 to 13. This actually kissed 11, and if you see, you got 2 volume bar surges right now. Okay, what you're looking for is a break above this level here, which is that high of 19. Okay, that's going to be your clear pivot. After that, it's going to be this 25 level. Okay, if you break 25, you got upside up to 0.006 to 0.08. Now this is the key right here. If you notice here, okay, this is what I call the scene of the crime here. You know, back when this was trading in that channel, if you notice, you had a big surge and this thing hit a high of 0.024. Okay, so now this is the chart that I want traders to kind of look at. I want traders to kind of look at this. Very similar to the Sune trade. If you notice, every time it hits this bottom trend line, you see a huge bounce. Okay, every time it kisses this trend line, a nice bounce, kisses the trend line, bounces. And we're right at this pivotal moment here. If you noticed, it kissed at 11 with a huge bar surge. and what you're looking at is a move up to about 29 to about 60. Okay, because look, every time you see this level, you kind of kiss it. Look, you kiss this level here. This saw a high of 0.024. So watch for this move to kind of get tested over here between 29 and 44. If you close above 44 in 2 consecutive closes, I would not be surprised for this to test that 50 to 0.008 level. Okay, and even a potential move to 0.01. So you have a lot of upside. This is what I call a low risk, high reward stock. Okay, so keep Gnpt because it's right at that buy zone. Okay, next ticker symbol is ticker symbol AXXE. Okay, Access Pharma. If you notice, using this 50% retrace, it broke. 50% retrace, it broke, and now what you're noticing is, okay, you got this 0.001211 level, and it's holding. Now you're seeing some consolidation. Watch for this stock to break above 17. If it breaks above 17, okay, we're looking at upside up to about 43. Okay, so this is a good buy zone opportunity. I know I had posted on Facebook, and somebody said that this stock was dog poo. I mean, all these stocks in the OTC markets are just trades. Okay, we just trade based on proprietary methodology, and we look for retracements. We look for key signals, and what we're looking at here is we're seeing this level here now start coming into fruition. If you notice, we lost that 50% retrace. Now 50% retrace from this level is actually in this box pattern now, and you're seeing some consolidation here. So I want traders to keep AXXE on their radar. Okay. With that said, I will have a weekly watch list up this Sunday. We're going to discuss whether we're going to have a Sunday webinar meeting, and anybody who's interested, we are coming up with some sales here for the radiosilentplay.com website. If you're not a member, just go on radiosilentplay.com. Okay, radiosilentplay.com. We're offering a free month right now, free month, and also if you do donate to a special charity, just send us a screenshot. We'll give you 1 month free, and that's on top of the free trial. Okay, so if you donate to a charity and you send us the screenshot, and you register for the free trial, we'll give you an extra free month. So that'll be 2 free months for you guys that donate, and you'll get that free trial plus the charity month. We're always talking about giving back, and part of it is of doing well is getting good positive assertion, good positive energy. There's some certain people that beyond their control, they can't trade, or they can't do, they just can't do the things that we can do. And it's always good to win, lose, profit, and also give back. Okay, so that's gonna be I'm gonna be sending that out via email, explaining what that is. And we're looking at a couple of new things in 2016. So I'm not going to say what that is. It will be a surprise, but we thank everyone for their loyal support. Take care, everyone. Have a good day.